Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Miss Pasetto's Emoji Puzzles for Tuesday. I know many of you are very sad with what we just found out, and I know I'm sad, and I can speak on behalf of everybody at Pacheco School that we're going to miss everybody. But we will see everyone in September, and we will see you. I'll be doing these online on Tuesdays and Thursdays like I have been. I'm going to try to post it either the day before or like I did the other day so that you can kind of go back and forth between the puzzle and my video so you can kind of follow along with me. So this one, again, Mercy, thank you so much for sending me this. Yay. This one we have little caterpillar with a flower on his head, or her head actually, or whatever. So we've got caterpillar with flower plus the same thing, and that's going to equal 21. And then we've got a clock that's at 6 o'clock and another clock at 6 o'clock plus that same caterpillar from the first one equals 19. Then we have the flower plus the 6 o'clock clock plus the little caterpillar guy, girl, equals 15. Then we have just the caterpillar with no flower, but there's something tricky about that caterpillar, plus 2 flowers. You can see it in the one I posted a little better, times the clock, but this time the clock's at 5 o'clock, equals question mark. So we have to be very careful in going through this one. It's a little trickier than some of the other ones we've done. First, I need you to take a look at the little caterpillar. And each one, he has or she has little segments of the caterpillar. Like caterpillars are made up of segments, right? So you have to see how many segments there are in that caterpillar to figure out how much that number is worth. So the first caterpillar here has 5 segments plus the little flower, right? And we know that from many of them, many of the first ones have been equaling 21, believe it or not. We know that blank plus blank plus blank equals 21. We know that 7 times 3 equals 21. We've been doing this for a while. So we know 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. So that means, but if we take apart the caterpillar, segments, and flower, okay, we know that each segment in the caterpillar is going to be equal to 1. And we know that the flower is going to be equal to 2. So this caterpillar here, each one of these has 5 segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments plus the flower equals 2 because 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right, so you're going to need that for the next one. Okay, so we know, let's check this guy here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments plus the flower, that's 2. Okay, so we know that we have 7 plus 7. Okay, so, whoops, what plus what? Blank plus 7 equals 19. So, we know that this clock is at 6 o'clock, so we can just go then to 6 plus 6 plus 7 equals 19. That's how you're going to get this second line here, okay? Now we have flower, which we don't know, but we talked about that being 2. Plus that 6 o'clock again, plus that same guy over here, which is 7, equals 15. Let's check our work. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 7, 15. Good job. Okay, so now we get to that last one, and this is where you have to be really careful. So if each segment is worth 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This guy has 6 segments, okay? Plus 2 flowers. We know the flowers are equal to 2. Oop. Let me just write down the clock is whatever the time is, okay? So 2 flowers here. We know 1 flower is 2, so 2 flowers would be 4 times, so that last clock there, the time is 5 o'clock, so that means that that's going to be worth 5. So I know that, what am I going to write down now, guys? PEMDAS, that's right. So we know that multiplication is going to come before addition. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 6. And the answer for this one is 26. Good job, everybody. And I will post, before I go back on Thursday, I will post Thursday's puzzle. Thank you again, Mercy, and thank you to everyone for joining me today. Have a great rest of your day.